Hi guys, this video I'm just going to tell you all about my experience and then how this Facebook ads will get good amount of business for your clients as well. So recently one of my client made 6 lakhs rupees just in 30 days using this specific strategy which I have taught you on my videos, right? Awareness ad campaign and retargeting with a lead generation ad campaign that is actually working nowadays in 2023 the day of shooting this video. And one more thing, some of my subscribers requested me to make a video on how we can get clients. So that's the thing. For this video I'm giving you absolutely for free. Let me show you everything in detail. There are 3 platforms majorly you can find clients. Is Facebook, second one is LinkedIn, third one is Instagram. I usually prefer go to the LinkedIn. That would be more beneficial, and LinkedIn had more professionals than Facebook and Instagram. So that's where you can easily get clients, guys. So I have actually contacted a lot more people how to get clients on my earlier stages. There is no such type of good amount of videos regarding how to get clients on YouTube. So that's where I'm just making this video. Actually I'm showing one of my clients live chat so that it will be helpful for you guys, because I have faces these many problems. So let me show that thing. So let's dive into this video. In this video I am going to show you how you can find US clients through LinkedIn. Why LinkedIn? Because LinkedIn is a platform where you can find out a professional who is actually ready to take your marketing services. So that's why we are actually outreaching with this LinkedIn method. This is a top-notch outreaching method, and this is the top-notch platform where you can easily get clients. LinkedIn has some limitations, like we have to only outreach 100 people a week. Even you can outreach 100 people in 1 day or 2 days. It is up to you. Before outreaching, I want to show you we have to optimize our LinkedIn by posting some content, by optimizing your cover image and profile picture and your bio section as well, so that it builds credibility when somebody lands on your profile, right? So that's why. So let me show my profile. You can see this is my profile. I just clearly mention on my cover image I have actually optimized, and we have to clearly put our image. Don't put logos here, because that's where it builds credibility. And you have to use hashtags as well, and you have to clearly mention your bio. LinkedIn should be on your creator mode. That will be helpful for us. And you have to feature some previous testimonies, previous work, something like that. So try to post 5 to 6 videos on your LinkedIn, because when we outreach people, they definitely check out our profile. When somebody check out our profile, we have to be credible, right? So that's why. Okay, so let me show the process. I'm just showing how to outreach interior designers. Don't go with this niche, because to get your idea, for that purpose only I am outreaching these interior designers. Okay, so by putting inverted commas, we only get interior designers, and by filtering with peoples, I want only US clients. Here we can here we actually get Indian clients, right? So go to the connections and find out the company's first person and second person. We won't need third person. That would be more better. So that's where I'm actually getting clients. And for the location, don't go with the broader location of United States. Only go with like a specific targeted cities. That would be more better, right? So I will type Texas. I will go with Texas. Okay, so you can see, so we won't send connection request for these people because they even don't put their profile picture, right? How we can able to chat with them, because they are not active in this LinkedIn. So that's why we won't send these people. And just opening profiles, here we are actually building friends list. Okay, you can see this client has their photo, that is good, and she is actually updated their cover image as well. That is absolutely good. And we just have to check out if they have a website or not. They don't have website. This is actual major point. If they don't have website, we actually don't count as a client. And you can see they even don't post any single post, because we need a client who are active in LinkedIn. Even we can send this client as a connection request to build credibility. Like to build on our friend list, we can send this connection request. Okay, you can see I just type a connection request message. Hey Julia, I just saw your profile. You seems to be very experienced interior designer. Glad to meet you. Will you be available for a chat? Right? So these connection request message will help to her. Like we are here creating a personalized message by putting their name, and we are actually appreciating her. So that's right. And send this. Out of 30 people, mostly 5 to 6 people are there to accept your connection request. Okay, so go to the another one. So you can see she had a good profile and she had a very good cover image as well. But here we can see this client is like posting good content. She's actually posted some content. What it means? It means she's actually active on LinkedIn. So she might be a good potential client for us. So just send a connection request. Click add note. And I'm just changing this message, and don't copy paste this message, guys, because to giving you idea, I'm just giving this. Don't copy paste this message as I shown you. Just think on your perspective and create a good message which will connect to the other person on LinkedIn, right? So sending this message. So let me show you one of my live chat with US client so that you will get complete idea, right? So guys, nobody will going to give this much value. So she's actually my client. How I outreach her. So you can see I outreach with her with a specific personalized message, and I just outreach follow up 2 times. She actually responded to my messages. You can see she actually started a conversion. What kind of conversion are you wanting to have? So appreciated your response, and then I directly sent a big voice note, and I sent a video of mine to build credibility for her, and then I asked her any thoughts. So she told me like, love this video. You can see here I'm working with 2 coaches right now. Financially I can't afford to hire a third person. She told me this one. Okay, I got it. If you don't mind, can you tell me what is the biggest challenge you're facing right now? And and we had a good conversion, guys. Actually this is a very big good conversion, and then I sent my Calendly link to her to book a meeting. So guys, that's how we can easily get clients using LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a platform where you can get a professional. When comparing to Facebook, Instagram, you can get quality peoples in LinkedIn, and with the Google method which I have showed in earlier video, you can find quality peoples, guys. Before that, you have to check out their website, if they have website or not, they are active on their LinkedIn or not, and what are their posts. And before going to chat, you just have comment on their post, like 2 to 3 posts. You just have give value. It's not like just commenting means like a good great, sounds good. Don't post that type of comments on their post. So it should be related to their description. Like if somebody posted 5 benefits of social media marketing, then you have to read that one and you have to give a legit reply for that post. Then only they will going to reply. Okay, so I'm actually showing everything transparently, guys. So I request you share this video to other friends and get the benefit of this video. And thank you for watching this video, guys. And I'm actually sharing the premium content which is working for me. Keep following me, guys, on YouTube and Facebook and Instagram. So I'm bringing good amount of videos regarding how to get clients and how you can show the results for clients, because everybody is like showing just outreach people, you will get clients, but there is a very big problem. We can easily get clients, but there is no proper system which is getting results for the client. So that's where I feel like I am good at. So that's where you want to be good at. So my complete motto is to genuinely help you guys. So that's the reason I'm just making video. And thank you for watching this video. Until then, stay tuned to my channel for regular updates, and bye bye.